Let us see how we can perform DDL and DML on top of Hive tables using Spark. As we have seen earlier, we have ran all the create table commands, load command, insert command from Hive. Even using spark.sql, we should be able to run those commands, and we should be able to create the tables, load the data, so on and so forth. However, as part of data frame operations, we have already seen that we have write.saveAsTable, which will actually create the table and load the data, and also write.insertInto, not into to table. It's a typo. It's insert into. So either you use saveAsTable or insert into to write a data frame into Hive tables directly. We can use options to define additional properties while saving into files. However, here I want to show you that any any Hive query which we have ran earlier to create the table, such as create table orders, create table order items, can be used as part of Spark SQL. We can also drop the table. So first, let us try to drop the table. So spark.sql. Once the table is dropped, we can say spark.sql as triple quote, and then I can copy this enter command from here to here, and then paste, and then triple quote, and then close and hit enter. Now the table is created. Once the table is created, I can say spark.sql load data local in path. What is the local path we have? It is nothing but data retail underscore db orders into table orders, and then triple quote and then close it, and it has loaded the data into orders. Same is the case with order items. We can actually drop table order items, and then we can say spark.sql as triple quote. We can copy paste this command. We can pass only one command at a time, and the order items is also created. We can also create this table. Okay, it already exists, so we just have to say spark.sql. I hope truncate is there. Let us try truncate table daily revenue. Yeah, so truncate is also there. Meanwhile, we have to load this order items data also, spark.sql. We can also run this insert command. Let me copy paste this one. So whatever we have seen earlier as part of the Hive session, we are trying to run using Spark SQL, just to make sure to understand that whatever is valid in Hive will be able to run using spark.sql and get the results as expected. So here we can say spark.sql as triple quote, paste that insert command and hit enter. It will actually run the query now using Spark engine, and then load the results into the table called daily revenue. Typically, it will be much faster than Hive on a larger dataset. Again, it is using 200 threads because I haven't set that spark.sql.shuffle partitions to 2. That's why it is using 200, which is default. That is fine. We don't need to worry too much about it at this time. The main intention is that you understand whatever is valid in Hive can be executed using spark.sql.